Hello friends, in today's question, an ideal gas expands isothermally from a volume V1 to V2 and then compressed to original volume V1 adiabatically. Initial pressure is P1 and final pressure is P3. The total work done is W. Then we have to find out we can say we are going to make a comparison between P1 and P3 and try to find out what will be the total work done, whether it will be negative, positive or equal to 0. So here are two processes. One is isothermal expansion and the process is from volume V1 to V2, and second one is adiabatic compression from volume V2 to back to V1. So we start from the isothermal process. So we say for isothermal expansion, which is from V1 to V2. In this case, the gas is going to expand and doing work on the surrounding. So we can say from here that gas expands doing work on the surrounding. Therefore, we can write the equation that work done from 1 to 2 will be equal to P1 V1, and we can write this as natural log of V2 by V1, and this will be our positive because V2 is greater than V1. So work done from 1 to 2 will be our positive work done. Second process is our adiabatic compression. And in this case, the process is from volume V2 back to volume V1, but it is done adiabatically. And in this case, the gas will be compressed and work is done on the gas. So you can say gas is compressed and work is done on the gas. Therefore, we can say that the work done to 3, this will be our negative, since compression reduces the gas volume. Compression reduces the gas volume. So therefore, we can write the total work done will be equal to W will be equal to work done from 1 to 2, that is our isothermal, plus work done from 2 to 3, that is our adiabatic. And we are only interested in its you can say whether it is positive, negative or 0. So we can make a conclusion from the above discussion that the magnitude of work done during the compression exceeds the work done during the expansion. We can say from that our work done during compression exceeds the work done during expansion. Therefore, the total work done, that W, will be less than 0, which will be negative. That is negative. Now we are going to make a comparison between pressure P1 and P3. Pressure comparison. Which is our P1 versus P3. And first, once again, the expansion is isothermal expansion. And in isothermal expansion, the gas is going to expand and resulting in the lowering of the pressure. Gas expands, the pressure decreases. Therefore, we can write that our P2 is less than our P1. Second is our adiabatic compression. And in this case, the gas is compressed again to the initial volume V1, but there is increase in the temperature because of the high pressure. Okay. So we can say from here that the gas is compressed back to the volume V1, but with high pressure the temperature increases. But with high pressure temperature increases. Temperature increases. Therefore, we already know the equation for the adiabatic process. We can write that our P3 can be written as P1 V1 by V2, and this is our gamma minus 1, and we already know that V2 is greater than V1, and also gamma is also, which is our adiabatic index, is greater than 1. Therefore, we can write that V1 upon V2 gamma minus 1 will be greater than 1. Therefore, we can say that our P3 is greater than P1. So the correct option is our work done is negative and P3 is greater than P1. So work done is negative. Option number C is the correct one option. P3 is greater than P1 and we have work done is negative. So you can say option C is correct. So this completes the question. Thank you.